In today's video, we are going to learn a special property of circle by using perpendicular bisector of a chord, and we have to find out the radius of the circle. It is given that AD and BD are equal to 8 centimeter each. AB is a chord, AD and BD are equal, and CD is perpendicular to AB. So it will be perpendicular bisector of AB. AD and BD are equal and CD is perpendicular. Therefore, CD is considered to be perpendicular bisector of AB. We have to find the radius of the circle. We'll use a special property of circle. Now, before moving ahead, let me explain you the property of a circle. In a circle, if two chords intersect each other at a certain point P, and the chords are AB and CD, then PA into PB is equals to PC into PD. This is a special property of a circle. We'll use the same property over here. Another property is if we draw a perpendicular from the center, it will bisect the chord. This is the second property. Now, vice versa of this is if we draw perpendicular bisector of a chord, it will pass through the center. Using these two properties, we'll solve this question. Let's start with extending this line CD to E. Now, as I told you, CD is perpendicular bisector of AB, and therefore it will pass through the center. Center is O. And the property which I told you, that property we'll use here. AD, there are two chords now, AB and CE. So product of AD and BD will be equal to CD into DE. Now we know the value of AD, which is 8. We know the value of BD, which is 8. So these two lines are 8 each. CD is given as 4. And let's find out DE. D will be 8 into 8 divided by 4. That will be D. Calculating the value of D will be 16 centimeter. So the length of DE is 16 centimeter. Now if I consider the length CE, that will be equal to CD plus DE. CD is 4, DE is 16, so CE is 20. And we can see that CE is passing through the center, so that will be the diameter. Diameter will be equal to 20 centimeter, and therefore the radius will be 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. We can check here also. This is 10 and total is 20. This is CD is 4, so OD will be 6. And we can see here, there is perpendicular 8, 6 and 10. Let's see one more example to understand this. AD and BD 15 each, CD is 9. We have to calculate the radius. So we'll start with the same thing. We'll extend CD to E. Now we have two chords, AB and CE. This is one chord, this second chord. So there are two chords intersecting at D. And therefore we can apply the formula AD when two chords intersect each other at certain point. Then the product of two parts of both the chords are equal. Product of AD and BD is equals to product of CD and DE. Now we have the value of AD as 15, BD is also 15, CD is 9. We have to calculate DE. 15 into 15 divided by 9 is equals to DE. Cancelling out this 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So DE is 25. And now we calculate CE equals to CD plus DE. We know that the value of CD is 9, the value of D is 25, and therefore the value of C comes out to be 34. This is the diameter of the circle passing through the center, and therefore the diameter is 34. Radius will be equal to 34 by 2, that is 7. So this is 17. We know that D is 25. This is 17. 25 minus 17 is 8. And we can see here this is a Pythagoras triplet. Let's see one more example. It's given that AB is a chord. AD is 12, BD is 12, CD is 4, perpendicular bisector. We have to find out the radius. Again, extend CD will pass through the center because this perpendicular bisector, any perpendicular bisector of the chord will always pass through the center, and it will move to up to E. So CE will be a diameter. We have two chords A, B, and C intersecting at D, and therefore we can write AD into BD is equals to CD into DE. Value of AD is 12, value of BD is 12, value of CD is 4. We have to calculate DE. 12 into 12 by 4 is equals to DE. Cancelling out this, 12 3s are 36. So the value of D is 36. And if we calculate CE, that will come out to be CD plus DE. 4 plus 36 is 40. Now CE is a diameter of the circle. So diameter is 40. And we have to calculate the radius. So radius will be 40 by 2. That is 20 centimeters. So radius will be 20. And this is 20. D is 36, so this is 16. And we can see that 12 square, 16 square is 20. So this is a method by which we can find out the radius of a circle if we know the length of perpendicular bisector of a chord.